How to export graphics from Canva for email. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a graphic from Canva. Then you're going to export it to the email from Gmail or Outlook or wherever. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over canva.com. Then you need only to create an account if you don't have, but in case you have an account, you're going to sign into the account that you have. Also, you will here face the dashboard. So what are we going to do right there is to select the create a design box or button. Then we are going to set the custom size. Put the custom size of that specific graphic that you want. So let's say that we are going to add a graphic of 300 by 300. So we are going to set up 300 by 300. Then we are going to click on create a new design. So right here we have the design created. Then we have the template. From here, we're going to click on element. Now, this is the turn that we are going to add the graphic. So search for whatever you want. For example, let's go ahead and add maybe tree. We are going to select graphics and here we have the trees. So we have it like that. So we are going to add maybe this tree or add it to our email. How we can do that? Simply go ahead and click on share. Then you are going to click on download. If you have the Canva Pro version right here, you can go ahead and select the transparent background. Then you are going to get it background free. If you don't have, you can use another extension or another website like remove.bg and you will get it with a background free. Then you are going to download the specific photo or this graphic as a PNG. Then we are going to head over our email. So here we have the email. We are going to click on compose. Then simply you are going to insert that specific graphic right there. Go ahead and put it like this and boom, here we have the graphic set. You can go ahead and set the size of it small. You can add a text to it or whatever you want from here. And here we have it. When you finish, you're going to click on send and it will be sending that specific email. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.